Hi kids! What will we do today? We learn some colors.
Yeah, we're gonna do magic.
Yeah, we have some magic. We have here.
We have a very funny trick.
Yes.
When I close the hands in my camera,
And
it's a surprise.
here we put some green M&M. Okay. Put inside our oven. Okay. Like this. And start on. Oh, it's a magic. Do you see a big surprise inside? Let's check what we have. Check, check, check. Oh, it's a big M&M. It's a good one. See, we put this small and it's become very big. It's green color. Green. We have red.
Cover it.
Round and round, round and round, round and round. Yippee! Wow! Let's check what we have. Yippee! A beautiful big M&M. It's a pink color. Pink. We have here. It's a blue M&M. Round and round, round and round, round and round. Here we are. We have a big blue M&M. Here, it's blue color. Blue. We have here yellow. Yellow. Round and round, round and round, round and round. Here we have. And it's yellow M&M. It's yellow. Yellow color. We have here. It's brown. Round and round, round and round, round and round, round and round. We have a big purple M&M. It's purple color. Purple. Today kids will learn purple color, pink color, green color, blue color and yellow color. Also we have here green, we have red, we have here a blue color and we have here yellow color and we have here brown color. Thanks for watching our friends. Please subscribe and don't forget to share our videos with your friends. Bye bye.